Triangle. A triangle is a polygon which is made up of three line segments, or we can say that a closed figure made up of three line segments is known as triangle. It has three vertices. Vertices is a plural of vertex, and the meaning of the vertex where the two line segments meet, as we consider vertex A. So there are two line segments AB and AC are meeting at the point A. So there are three vertices A, B and C. And sides, the line segment is known as the sides AB, BC and CA. These are the sides. Angles. At which angles we are talking about? We write that angle in between of the 2 points. Suppose we are talking about the angle A. So we write this is BAC and angle का sign भी लगाएंगे. This is sign of angle. So we write BAC. If we are talking about the angle B, then we will write angle ABC. हम जिस एंगल की बात कर रहे हैं उसको बीच में लिखेंगे. हमने बी एंगल की बात करी तो हमने इसको बीच में लिखा. एंड नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंगल सी, तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे दिस इज ACB. सो नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंगल C. So a triangle has three vertices, three sides and three angles. Medians of a triangle. The median of a triangle is when we draw a line segment from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side of that vertex from we are doing a line segment, and that line segment if cuts the opposite sides at its midpoint, then it is known as a median of a triangle. अगर हम एक लाइन किसी वर्टेक्स से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं उसकी अपोजिट साइड पर और वो लाइन अपोजिट साइड के मिड पॉइंट पे कट करती है तो उस लाइन को हम क्या कहते हैं? मीडियन ऑफ ट्रायंगल. नाउ देयर इज अ ट्रायंगल ABC and I have been drawn a line segment from vertex A which cut at midpoint of D. If cuts at the midpoint D, it means the distance of BD is equal to DC. Altitude of a triangle. It is also known as the height of the triangle. Altitude is also known as the height of the triangle. When a line segment be drawn from a vertex to the opposite sides and makes an angle of 90 degree, or we can say it is a perpendicular to the opposite side, then it is known as the altitude. Here is a triangle ABC, and from vertex A we have been drawn a line which makes the angle of 90 degree to the opposite side, then it is known as the altitude or height of the triangle. As we know about the median, median is a line segment which we draw from a vertex to the opposite side of a triangle and which cuts the line segment into equal parts or its midpoint. In a triangle, there be a maximum or three medians. एक triangle में three medians हो सकते हैं maximum. And these all the three medians will definitely meet at a point. That point is known as the congruence point. If we look for the figure ABC, in that there are three median. One is AD, another is BF, and another is CE. They all are meeting at a point. Let it be the point is O. So this point is known as the congruence point. This is I have been drawn for the acute angle triangle. Now this is right angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle. Altitude. Altitude is the height of a triangle, or we can say that altitude is a line segment which we draw from vertex to the opposite sides and makes an angle of 90 degree. So in acute angle triangle, if we draw perpendicular or the angle of 90°, let it be cut at the point L. So that will be the inside of the triangle. Right angle, there will be two altitudes AB and BC. Now we are talking about the obtuse angle. If we draw the perpendicular at the point where the obtuse angle is produced, so this is an obtuse angle. If we draw the perpendicular from the point C or altitude from the point C, so that will be out of the triangle, outside of the triangle. Let it be, consider it as this is an obtuse. If we draw a perpendicular or an angle which will be a straight line from the point C, and it will be out of the triangle. So the meaning of saying that altitude of obtuse angle triangle will be the outside of the triangle. Equilateral triangle. If we are talking about the equilateral triangle, the altitudes and the magnitude medians are equal. जो altitude होगा वही हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, median होगा. The medians and altitudes are congruent. It's congruent means they will cut at a one point. In that figure I have been drawn the median, in that figure I have been drawn the altitude. All they are meeting at a point. An equilateral triangle altitudes and medians are remain same. Now next point, the point of concurrence of the three median divide each median in the ratio 2:1 from vertex. If we measure these medians from the vertex, the ratio will be as 2:1. The upper portion will be 2, suppose, and the lower portion will be 1. So the ratio will be 1. If upper portion is 4 and lower portion is 2, the ratio is 2:1. So the ratio from the vertex to the concurrence point to the point or opposite side, it will be in the 2:1. इसी तरह से अगर हम आइसोस्केल ट्राइंगल्स की बात करें, तो आइसोस्केल ट्राइंगल और इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल्स की प्रॉपर्टीज़ एल्टीट्यूड्स और मीडियंस की सेम ही होती हैं. जिस तरह से इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल में मीडियन और एल्टीट्यूड सेम होते हैं, उसी तरह से आइसोस्केल ट्राइंगल में एल्टीट्यूड और मीडियंस भी क्या होते हैं, सेम. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो कॉन्क्रेंट, एंड द रेशियो ऑफ द मीडियन फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स, it will be in the 2:1. If we are talking about scalene triangle, scalene triangles में आपके तीन तरह के triangles हो सकते हैं, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. पहले हम इसमें altitudes के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं कि इसमें altitudes कैसे होंगे. acute angle में altitudes are congruent होंगे, definitely वो एक point पे meet कर रहे होंगे कहीं ना कहीं altitudes. The point of congruence lies in the inside the triangle. Next, right angle. The point of the congruence is the vertex of the right angle. जो congruence point होगा वो vertex होगा इनका. देखो ये this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, and this is also perpendicular. All the perpendiculars are meeting at a vertex. So in a right angle triangle, the congruence point of is right angle triangle will be a vertex of a right angle triangle. यानी कि right angle triangle का जो vertex होगा वही क्या होगा, congruent point होगा इसका. अब now we are talking about the obtuse angle triangle. If we draw the perpendicular on all the vertices of this is AL, this is perpendicular. From B point, this is BM, and from point C, this is CN. If we wants to they meet, so we have to increase to up outside of the triangle, and the concurrence point of this triangle will be outside of the triangle. Now median in scalene triangle, first of all we talk about the acute angle triangle. All the medians of acute angle triangle will meet at a point, and the meeting point of all the medians will be inside a triangle. Similarly, in right angle triangle, all the meeting points of the medians will inside the triangle.
ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल में भी ऐसे ही होगा जैसे आपका एक्यूट एंगल और राइट एंगल में हो रहा है। सारी मीडियंस एक ही पॉइंट पे होंगी, मिलेंगी। इसका मतलब कॉन्क्रेंट पॉइंट जो होगा तीनों मीडियंस का वो कहाँ होगा, ट्राइंगल के अंदर ही होगा।